going on, everybody? Snakes for the Memories here.
Holly.
Jeremy. And,
what are we doing today?
Burping some eggs, guys.
Whoop.
About that time. Comment down below. You know, did you guys burp? When do you guys burp? Do you guys know what burping is? Holly burped the last clutch while I wasn't here, so I figured I'd come out.
We'll tag team it this time. He's going to burp his clutch and I'm going to burp my clutch.
Heck yeah. Your clutch.
Yep, you're going to teach me how to burp this clutch.
Oh, yeah?
Mm-hmm.
Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, guys. Hit that notification bell.
Ding, ding, ding.
Show your support. Let's, start this.
Yeah.
So.
When do we?
What? Oh.
How far in?
So around the 6 to 7 week-ish mark. I usually burp at the 6 week mark. Just easier because around the 7 week mark is when I start focusing on when I'm going to cut my eggs. 7 week mark is day 50. So I'm just going to start watching for when they're ready to cut. And then we'll go on the video about how I know they're ready to cut. Just me, personally, how I do it. Because some people don't cut. Some people wait to pit. So comment down below. Do you guys even burp your eggs? How do you guys do this? Like, this is just something that I've found and I've been doing for the past 2 clutches. This will be clutch number 3. So yeah, let's start this process.
What's yours?
Mine.
What's your clutch?
Het DG to a fire clown. So, possible double hets is what I'm making. Possible double hets for the future. So every female is going to be held back. God, I'm hoping there's a lot of females. But we'll find out in a couple weeks.
Mine is like a rainbow clutch.
Ooh.
It's like het for Easter and jelly beans and candy.
Nice. Het candy.
Het.
Rainbow het candy.
And jelly bean. Don't forget about jelly bean.
Oh, jelly bean.
And Easter.
Is that Cadbury in there? A little
No.
Cadbury?
No Cadbury.
Ah, maybe next year we'll go for the Cadbury.
We'll see.
So, the process of burping is when you want to give fresh air. So, for the most part, this clutch has been sealed just like this in the incubator since day 1. So now today is going to be the day that we're going to kind of wipe down all that moisture, give it some fresh air, wipe the eggs, clean them up a little bit.
One might say fresh air exchange.
Yeah, fresh air exchange. What? Hashtag fresh air exchange. You know.
Woo.
Oh yeah, we'll do it like that. So.
Take the lid off.
Taking off the lid. Ooh, look at all that moisture.
What the frick?
Oh, they lock on.
Okay, got it.
Okay, so this is when it gets fast and furious.
Too fast.
Nice.
Oh, we got one open.
Oh, well, they're already pipping.
Early.
So, so when you do this, you see all this moisture? We're going to get rid of all that.
Moist.
So you're going to do this very carefully, so.
Tilting it so the water does not drip on top of the eggs and slides down.
That's the goal.
Angles, leverage.
Well, that's a good show. Anybody ever watch Leverage?
Watch what we're doing here with these precious, precious babies. Oh no!
So, we're not going to be using this anymore.
Throw it away! Hurry up and dry them babies! I mean, now what do we do?
So, we are going to be removing these eggs, setting them off to the side, getting off all the moisture. I'm not going to lie, you can kind of help me. They're kind of wet, okay? Like, fun and games. Pull it out.
Oh, it's a baby.
So yes, you are setting these eggs up to get ready to hatch. So you want to remove all the excess moisture. Not like you're not draining out the perlite or anything like that. You're just taking off all the dampness from the sides of the eggs. And from like the side of the tray.
Heavy feeling snakies.
Oh yeah, they're freaking huge.
It's true. It looks like it's big. Big guy. Girl. Girl. Big girl.
Hopefully girls. Hopefully all the girls. Hopefully this is like our clutches past. Knock on wood.
What the heck?
So yeah, so basically what we're doing here is, as Holly said, a fresh air exchange. So they've just been sitting in the incubator in the same tub for, what's this, day 43? So 43 days. So they've just been sitting here and just, you know, chilling with themselves.
But not really chilling.
Yeah, not chilling. 89.5-ish.
Ish.
Ish. So yeah, and then see all that moisture on the side of the tubs. We're going to try to get that off. We're not going to try. We are going to get that off.
Oh! Perlite in the eye.
Baby gone blind. Oh, my nose itches. Just throwing things. If you throw it out of frame, it's gone forever.
Right. I'm not cleaning it. Not it.
I know. Trust me. I know. So what are you doing, Holly? Talk about what you're doing.
So there's water all over this thing. I'm cleaning it off because I don't want the water to touch the eggs. And I'm also trying to hurry because this is not something that you want to, like, you don't want them to be sitting out for like a long time. You don't have to rush, but you also don't want to, like,
but like, for the most part,
they're break and go get some lunch.
They're just like absorbing the yolk now. Like they're fully formed.
Yeah, they feel
theoretically.
Massive. Eggs feel heavy. Okay. Beaut.
This isn't taking an hour. Like, you know, a few minutes to do this is. Yeah. You want to make sure you get the job done right. Don't
get her done.
Don't have. That's it. You know what I mean?
What?
Don't have. It.
Oh, okay. I didn't hear that word for a second. I just heard
what word?
I don't know.
Go. That all dry. So yeah, as what Holly did. Because I don't know if she showed. We there's moisture all throughout all the cracks and everything. There's moisture throughout all the cracks. So what she did was dry out all the water, condensation, everything that was built up in here, made it a nice dry surface. And now that they're done, they're all dry. We're going to put them back into their dragon hatch tray. X is up, just to keep orientation right. And nice and dry here too. So yeah, so what you're basically doing is removing all the excess moisture inside there, letting that fresh air come into there, and letting them breathe.
Do we press and seal now?
We do not press and seal anymore after the burping stage. So now they lid back on them, and then I just start checking them regularly to know when to cut. And then I'll show you like what I look for once I'm ready to cut, so you can see what I do and how I do it.
Yeah.
Comment down below, guys. Do you burp? Do you not burp? Have you ever burped before? Do you know what burping is? Now you do. Did we help you out? I hope so. Jesus!
Do you press and seal?
Do you press and seal after you burp? But yeah, so these are going to go back into the incubator. And I'm super excited for this clutch. Hopefully make some double heads.
Great. I'm so excited.
I know. Easter bunny clutch.
So weird.
Possible double head clutches. Oh, this is so exciting. Building things for the future. Probably a lot of holdbacks compared to our last one. We need females. Yeah. Catch you guys on the next one. Deuces.
Bye.
Damn, son, where'd you find this?